Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, here we are in the car. In this animation, we'll show you how to use the car and learn the basic of driving a car. First, you have to take the safety belt. It secures your life a lot when crashing. And after that, before you starting the car, please check your car before driving. Because if your car have a problem, means you are in the low secure. After that, start your car and drive it on to your destination. While driving, when you drive on the highway, your speed should be as you like, but don't drive too slow. Probably 100 km per hour up. You can see in your car in the map. When you reach to the city, you'll see the sign 50. It means you have to slow down your speed to 50 km per hour. So follow the sign, 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 follow the sign. Crosswalk. When you see the crosswalk sign, please stop your car and let the people cross until the side cross be no more. And you can go after that. But please, while you are driving a car, avoid using phone because it causes a lot of concentrate in driving. After the people crossed, you can go. Traffic light. This is very important to know about. It has three lights: green, yellow and red. For the green means you can go, yellow you have to do slow down your car and stop it. Has 3 seconds and it becomes red, means you have to stop. Anyway, wait until it becomes green again and do not break the rules. Okay, that's all the basic of driving a car on the street. You have to be careful with your driving and learn how to drive to the right way. So enjoy driving. Thanks for watching.